I'm here to debunk 6 chocolate health myths. Let's get started. Number 1. Chocolate causes acne. Regardless of what your parents or grandparents may still say, studies in the past 20 years have eliminated chocolate as a cause of acne. Number 2. Chocolate is high in caffeine. While eating chocolate may perk you up, chocolate is actually not very high in caffeine. Number 3. Chocolate causes headaches. While cited as a common cause of migraines, a study by the University of Pittsburgh has shown no link between chocolate and headaches. Number 4. Chocolate causes cavities. Candy alone is not responsible for cavities. Cavities are formed when bacteria in the mouth metabolize sugars and starches from any type of food to produce acid. Number 5. Chocolate lacks any nutritional value. Chocolate is a good source of magnesium, copper, iron, and zinc. It also contains polyphenols, an antioxidant also found in tea and red wine, that have been associated with a decreased risk of coronary disease. Number 6. Chocolate causes weight gain. Any food can be part of a healthy diet if consumed in moderation. An average chocolate bar contains 220 calories, which is low enough to be a part of a weight control diet if other high-calorie foods are eliminated. Please subscribe and support my channel.